how to change your name on TEMU. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on this video we will see how we can change name on TEMU. So without any further ado, let's jump into this video. First and foremost, launch the TEMU application and make sure to log into your account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to the menu bar at the bottom of the interface and then tap on U icon. That's gonna take you to this page. Here, you will find your profile name at the top left corner. All you have to do is tap on it. Once you land on this page, next to your profile name, tap on the small edit icon. That's gonna take you to this page again. So tap on your name. Now you can edit or change your name from this page. So write a different name. Once you're done with that, tap on save button. And with that, your name is now changed in your TEMU account, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and do not forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.